How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our Virtue-6 MultiColor traffic advisor. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your Virtue-6 going to your connection cables. Now you'll have your SIG plug here for power, and then you'll see a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional direct control. And then you'll also have your aux cable here where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your direct control. Now let's get this unit hooked up to power and go over some of the functions. So I went ahead and hooked up my SIG plug to power here, and then today I am going to be using my optional direct control, and again that will plug in via connector here. So I'll go ahead and get my direct control set up, and then I have my power button here, and then I have my warning mode button, which will activate my light bar in warning mode, and then I have my flash pattern changer, so I can cycle through my different flash patterns. I can find a pattern I like, and then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, you'll see your light bar will activate its steady burn mode. And then if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, you'll see your unit will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. And then you have your aux button here where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your direct control. Now let's go over your traffic advising features. Now, since this is a multicolor model, when you activate your traffic advisor, you'll notice your unit will go to amber. And on your direct control, you'll see that you have your center out, your left right, and right left functions here. Now in your right left and left right modes, you have 6 flash patterns to choose from. So while you're in those modes, you can hit your pattern button and you'll see your patterns will change. And again, you have 6 flash patterns to choose from here. And then finally, you have your slow and fast switch here, so you can decide if you want your light bar to flash in slow mode or fast mode, whether you're in your traffic advising mode or your warning mode as well. Now I did bring a standard red-blue unit with me, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And we even have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So I went ahead and attached my optional windshield visor here, and then you'll see our surface mount end caps as an option, and we do have the ability to weatherproof this unit if you need to exterior mount. And then we have our 90-degree suction cup, and this will attach to the backtrack of your unit. So you'll simply attach your 90-degree suction cup to the backtrack like so, and you'll use 2 of our 90-degree suction cups with this unit. And then we have our 360-degree suction cup, and this will attach to the side of your unit with the replacement end caps like so. And then this bracket does rotate 360 degrees if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you can also use this bracket as an L bracket as well. And then we have our static headliner bracket, and again this will attach to the backtrack of your unit like so, and you'll use 2 of our static headliner brackets. And then finally we have our adjustable headliner bracket, and the difference with this bracket is you can move your unit forwards or backwards if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And again, you'll attach this to the backtrack of your unit like so, and you'll use 2 of our adjustable headliner brackets. So you'll see that you have plenty of interior and exterior mounting options for your unit. So that covers all of the features of our Virtue-6 MultiColor traffic advisor. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.